Smart conversations. Experience the new look and feel of the Intelligent Personal Assistant in the updated BMW Operating System 9. Here are some of the commands to make your journey even better.
Hey BMW, open all windows.
In case the open windows are not enough,
Hey BMW, max AC.
need directions? No problem.
Hey BMW, drive me to Berlin.
Getting directions to Berlin. Drive southwest.
Hey BMW, add Munich Airport to the route.
There's Munich Airport, 17.9 kilometers away on Terminalstrasse West. Want directions?
Yes.
Okay, adding Munich Airport to your route.
Hey BMW, what's my ETA?
Based on current traffic, it'll take about 5 hours and 47 minutes to drive there.
Perfect. Now tell a friend.
Hey BMW, call John.
That's John Smith, right?
Yes.
Calling John Smith's mobile.
Is it cold enough now?
Hey BMW, raise the temperature to 23 degrees.
Temperature set to 23 degrees.
Explore everything.
Hey BMW, what can you do?
Here are some things you can ask. What day is today? Find me a coffee shop and tell me a joke. What would you like to do?
What day is today?
It's Tuesday, the 27th of August 2024.
Side note, after a remote software upgrade to November 2024 or newer, please make sure to redo the Intelligent Personal Assistant setup process via the in-car app or the microphone button on the steering wheel to get the full experience. Enjoy your journey with easy vehicle interaction.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?